Using a Moto One 5G Ace phone, when you initially boot to Lineage OS, you will receive a warning message stating that the bootloader is unlocked. The message appears every time you boot and appears to be from the phone's manufacturer, Motorola. After that message appears, your phone will load normally. The home screen is very similar to other Android versions. Let's take a look at some of the apps. First, the Audio FX app allows you to configure audio quality, and the calendar is fairly standard, very similar to Google Calendar. The only thing that I didn't like is that the widget for the calendar does not include a 30-day display. The phone settings are standard, exactly like a standard Android operating system. When I click on System then Gestures, the Motorola gestures work just as great on Lineage OS as the original operating system. This is a Moto One 5G Ace phone, which was originally loaded with Android 10, but now runs Lineage OS Android 13. As you can see, Google Chrome works normally, and the display quality is great. I do not have any complaints. Moving along, the Google Play Store does not have any restrictions and all apps function normally. For example, I go to the search for Monopoly Go, download it, and it installs great with no issues. Another feature I like about Lineage OS is that it comes with a bare-bones music app. It's just as great as other music apps, like Audacity and VLC. Also, M3U and MPL playlists transfer over with no problem. Although when I attempt to edit imported playlists, the application unexpectedly closes. However, playlists, which are created on the phone, can be edited without experiencing any application errors. Also, you cannot search for individual songs in the music app. Overall, this operating system is superb and I highly recommend it.